Lightweight clip-on windshield for efficient cooking. Durable hard anodized aluminum. Quicker boil times to help save fuel. Clips onto most brand gas canisters. Features of the Optimus Clip-On Windsheild intended for use with canister-mounted stoves. This hard anodized aluminum clip-on windshield is lightweight and durable. Having this little guy means you will increase your stove's efficiency and reduce gas consumption. Fits every gas canister, according to EN 417, and ports with a maximum diameter of 13 cm, 5 in, compatible with a range of pots. Anywhere from the standard pots to the high-profile heat exchange pots. Super easy to pack for tripsand. Fits around the Optimus Terra Weekend HE pot. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent quality and functionality. It's easy to clip onto isopro or isobutane bottles. It doesn't work so well with 1-pound propane bottles. I have an adapter for my pocket rocket, but that's not a huge deal if you have a decent foil shield.